to create a good database. Keep it simple. Now, simplicity is not just a concept in engineering. There's other fields where you're advised to keep things simple, or at least start them off simple. Don't make them too complicated from the get-go. The first thing you come up with is always a draft, right? So database tip number one: keep your table simple. Keep the data together. You don't need to spread data across multiple tables, because there is consequences to that as well, right? So keeping the data in single place is much easier to retrieve than having it across 12 tables, right? You're gonna just write simple queries. If you're gonna join you're gonna join 2 tables versus 8 tables. Obviously, if you need to create 8 tables, then go for it, no problem at all, and it makes complete sense. So try keeping it simple. Your query is gonna be faster. You're gonna write less SQL queries. You're gonna write shorter queries, and managing it is gonna become easy as well in the long term. And your whole development is gonna simplify. It's gonna take less time to do things. So now, when I say keep it simple, I don't mean you just come up with a couple tables and think just because it looks simple is sufficient. It's gonna work fine. You're gonna have to reiterate, which is fine as well. But simplicity is behind the scene. It's quite complex as well. So things that are simple generally have been thought about in detail. So there has been a thought process. There has been a lot of planning, comparison, which solution is best, and many other things behind the scene that you never end up seeing. So when someone comes up with a solution, simple solution, and they have put the effort, it doesn't mean it's not what it looks like. There has been a lot of work. So keep it simple, but do your planning and do the work behind the scene that's needed.